हे गाइस, व्हाट्सअप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम भाविका है और अगर आप यहाँ पहली बार आए हैं और आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर करें दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड क्लिक द नोटिफिकेशन बेल टू स्टे अपडेटेड। तो आज के वीडियो में मैंने रिसेंटली अभी अपने इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल पे एक पोल किया था जहाँ पे मैंने अपने फॉलोवर्स से पूछा था कि वो मेरा स्टाइलिंग वीडियो और देखना चाहते हैं या मेकअप रिलेटेड मोर वीडियोज़। तो 80% से ज़्यादा लोगों ने ये कहा कि वो अब स्टाइलिंग वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं। तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत स्टाइलिंग करने की कोशिश करी है। मैंने एक प्लेन पिंक कुर्ती को स्टाइल करा है 6 अलग अलग वेरेबल तरीकों में। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड।
As this dress is really cool and comfortable, I'm not going to disturb the flow of this dress because I really like it. I'm just going to make the outfit a little bit more edgy by tying a knot at one end of the dress. This is going to add a little bit more sass that this outfit is missing. To make it a little bit more girlish, I have created a half bun and added colorful jhumkis because I think it goes perfectly with the current situation of the outfit. Since color blocking is in trend nowadays, I am adding blue shoes to complete the look. And that's how the finished look has turned out, and I think it looks really amazing. The next look is for those girls who love their denims and cannot go a day without them. Trust me, I have had those days when I could never not wear my denims. So for this one, I have added a no-sleeve denim jacket with the blue denims because I think that completes the look. This one could be perfect for college-going girls, so I styled this with flats because they tend to be more comfortable. With open hair and silver earrings, this look deserves a complete 10 on 10 from my end. This one has a formal touch to it because the office going ones need a little bit style to be incorporated in their outfits. I've added a simple plain black belt and a black formal blazer to go with the dress. I've also added simple black formal heels and neatly tied my hair in a ponytail to add more formal touch to the dress. To complete the dress, I am adding simple stud earrings because I think it looks pretty and it completes the look perfectly. For the fourth style, I am adding white ankle pants with the same black belt and the same black heels. This is the most comfortable outfit out of the entire styling series for me. I have created a low bun and added hoop earrings that I recently bought to add some more elegance to this one. Also, if you want, you can add a striped jacket or shirt to further make it more stylish. This is not at all necessary to do it, but I am just showing you how it looks, and that is how this outfit is completed beautifully. A dress on dress or a kurti on kurti is an amazing idea to style because layering always looks attractive and is in trend right now. If you want, you can add a belt to this one for the extra touch. I have taken those simple flats again and silver earrings again and kept my hair pretty open so that it looks effortless and yet trendy. finish this entire styling series without styling it the Indian way. So a white palazzo and dupatta can enhance the beauty of this dress and take it to another level. Top it off with a bindi and some beautiful oxidized earrings along with some heels to complete this look. Open hair looks great with Indian outfit is what I feel and is what I have tried with this look. So try this out guys and do let me know how you feel, and I know you won't be disappointed.
आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट. आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे ज़रूर बताइएगा. ऑल्सो मैंने जो स्टाइलिंग करी है वो वेरिएबल है ताकि मेरा जो स्टाइल है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग अडॉप्ट कर पाएँ और उससे ज़्यादा लोग इंस्पायर हो सके. सो that is what the motive is behind all of this styling. From now on I am going to create a lot of more styling videos. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting a lot of content there as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.